Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix, we restrict certain activity to protect our community on Instagram. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, access your Instagram first. So there are some things that you need to know. Okay, so why do you get that kind of try again letter and the activity? That is because sometimes you simply have to avoid any suspicious or spammy activity on your account, and if you have been doing out of the guideline of the Instagram activity on Instagram, then notification will appear. Other would be you're simply accessing a person's profile and you go to their followers or following, and you start following all of the following, tapping on this follow non-stop. The one particular activity continues for a long time, then that limitation notification will appear. If you're unfollowing constantly plenty of accounts at the same time or following at the same time, then that will appear. So stop doing that, take a breath and pause in between. Other would be simply, as if you are seeing this out of nowhere, you can simply go ahead, contact the port of the help center of Instagram. You can tap on this report a problem, take a screenshot of that notification, and then you can go ahead to report a problem to Instagram, and that way you will be able to fix it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.